Hello students, welcome to Excel Civils Academy. Myself Prithvi Reddy, Faculty of Public Administration. In this video, let us understand whether politics, administration, dichotomy, okay, which was proposed by Woodrow Wilson, is it relevant? Right? Actually, Wilson proposed a politics administration dichotomy. The very purpose behind this delineation between politics and administration is that the administration shall be insulated from the politics. Politics must be given the role of policy making and administration must be given the role of policy implementation. Why? Because policy implementation shall be given a proper focus, proper understanding, proper attention. Why? Because according to Woodrow Wilson, public administration means systematic execution of public law. So if you are able to exercise the proper implementation of the public law, or if you are able to implement the public law properly, definitely the state goals will be achieved. Otherwise, there will be no change in the ground reality. But unfortunately, in India or any other country, you are able to see the interference of the politics into the administration. This will be making administration completely unscientific. Even Woodrow Wilson has faced the same challenge, has observed the same challenge when he was the scholar of the political science. That's why he has given the idea that the politics and administration must be separated, and administration must be given a scientific and disciplinary approach. When you are able to separate administration from politics, you are able to develop proper theories, method, techniques to implement the law in a proper sense. That's how the administrator will be able to employ those methods to ensure the better implementation of the policy. But after the evolution of the administration in the present juncture, because we are in the liberalization era, in this particular era, there is another question is arising whether Wilsonian dichotomy, that is separability of the politics and administration, is relevant today. That idea was actually addressed by, that question was being addressed by a scholar called as Swara. He has given a model called as complementary model. According to this complementary model, you can see a complementary relationship between politics and administration. This is what politics, this is administration. Politics is the domain of politicians, administration is the domain of the practitioners, right? So both domains are interrelated this way. So it means you are able to see certain important trends. One is autonomy for politics and administration. Autonomy means politics will be the source for the policies, and administration is the agency which will be implementing the policies. This is how autonomy. So politics will not be interfering to the administrative activities. Okay. So but at the same time, you can also see the interdependence or overlapping between politics and administration. Okay. Interdependence and overlapping. How you can see interdependence means the politics will be enabling the administration by providing the system, by providing the resources. Sometimes the administration may be doing certain things wrong. In that context, the politics will be ensuring course correction. Course correction means enabling the administration to do the things in a right manner. Okay, that is what course correction. Similarly, administration will be enabling the policy making to be efficient. For example, administration will be channelizing the resources, the inputs, okay, the proper ideas. And you can also say the administration will be acting like institutional memory. Nowadays, we are able to see the delegated legislation, the inputs for the budget formulation, and also the inputs for the making of the public law. Okay, in various aspects, the administration is supporting. So that's why in the complementary model, both politics and administration will be enjoying autonomy in their own spheres and will be having honor towards each other regarding the democratic role played by politics and administration in the era of democracy. Okay, so that's why there is no clear separation you can see between politics and administration. Both will be having both overlappings as well as autonomy. Even Wilson also said politics and administration can be separated, but it is not means that there will be a divorce between politics and administration, because if you completely divorce politics and administration, that will be completely robbing the true essence of the administration. That is too dangerous. Wilson was also held that, he also opined that the public opinion has a major role to play in the democracy. The bureaucracy must be under the political control. So complete insulation of the politics and administration is not good for the society and not good for the democracy. So Swaraj's complementary model almost all explains the Wilsonian dichotomy in the contemporary era by explaining the reciprocal or interdependence between politics and administration. Thank you. For more videos, please subscribe to Excel Civils Academy's YouTube channel.